Now we're going to see the troubleshooting of high-capacity single orifice float trap. This consists of two single orifice float traps in parallel. The troubleshooting is categorized in two halves. One, the condensate is not being discharged at the downstream. And the second, steam is leaking through the trap. The first category, the trap not discharging condensate at the downstream. One has to check the trap installation, whether the trap is installed in the right orientation and the flow direction arrow is followed. Secondly, one has to check the strainer which is installed before the trap. If the strainer is choked, clean the same. The third point one has to check is any additional back pressure acting on the float trap downstream. The fourth point one has to check whether the floats present in the float traps are punctured. The fifth point one has to check for any kind of blockages in the main valve assembly. We will be dismantling the float traps to show you the main valve assembly. Once the cover casting is removed or dismantled, check the thermopod leakages. Dismantle the thermopod assembly and check the seat as well as the thermopod ball. If any foreign particle deposition is observed, clean the same. If any damage is observed, replace the seat. The second thing to be checked is the float movement. Check for any kind of deposition in the valve housing assembly. If so, clean the same. Also, while dismantling the cover assembly, check whether the gaskets are intact. If the gaskets are damaged, replace the same. Clean the casting surface before replacing the gaskets. This is how one troubleshoots a high-capacity single orifice float trap.